Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a licensed Office 365 account and the OneDrive sync client installed. Sign into OneDrive with your work or school account so the client can authenticate. Make sure you have at least read access to the Sharepoint site and folder you want to sync. Otherwise, syncing won't start. Once signed in, open the Sharepoint site in your browser and navigate to the target folder. These steps prevent permission and now initiate the sync. In the Sharepoint library, select the folder and click Sync. Your browser will prompt to open the Microsoft OneDrive protocol. Allow it so the desktop client receives the instruction. The OneDrive client will ask which folders to sync and where to place them locally. Choose only what you need to save space. Make sure the local path has sufficient disk space. If it's a large library, consider selective sync to avoid filling your drive. Finish by verifying the sync. Check the OneDrive tray icon for a blue syncing circle or green checkmarks on files. Open the synced folder in File Explorer to confirm items appear and edit one file to test uploads. If you hit conflicts, right-click the file to view versions or choose to keep both copies. This preserves data. If syncing fails, make sure the site URL and permissions are correct. Then reset the OneDrive client. Resetting often clears stubborn auth or cache problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.